Building an online income stream no longer requires a background in coding or design. The technical barriers that once restricted these opportunities have been removed. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a tangible, high-quality digital asset from scratch. To follow along, you only need 2 things: a computer and a free account on any standard generative AI platform. Possessing a finished, deployable asset is the first step toward generating revenue. Success begins by narrowing your focus. Attempting to build multiple income streams simultaneously often leads to 0 finished projects. There are 4 primary lanes for AI income: social media content, freelance deliverables, YouTube scripts, and digital products. For this session, we are selecting the digital product template as our working example. Picking one specific lane prevents tool overwhelm and ensures you have a completed product by the end of this tutorial. In the drafting phase, the AI's role is to build a structural baseline. It does not produce a finalized product ready for sale. Open a single AI tool and ignore other applications for now to avoid getting lost in the broader software ecosystem. To start, enter a specific prompt to outline the chosen product, in this case, a daily productivity planner. The AI interprets that prompt and outputs a complete structural draft in a matter of seconds. Avoid the mistake of trying to string together multiple different AI tools for this initial drafting step. Keep the process simple. This generated baseline removes the blank page problem, saving the time usually spent on initial brainstorming and outlining. Raw, unedited AI output is rarely ready for the market. Now we move into the editing phase. Export the raw text from the chat interface into a standard word processing document for manual review. Manual formatting makes the asset readable and valuable. You must add personal creativity, adjust layout structure, and refine headers for a human audience. This is also when you must fact-check and verify specific claims or data points the AI included in the baseline. Publishing unverified information or copying other creators verbatim destroys buyer trust. This polish phase is the actual secret to monetization. It converts robotic text into a unique, trusted asset that people will actually use. This process converts raw, unrefined material into a polished, high-value product. You now have a fully deployable digital asset. It is ready for freelance pitches, for your video scripts, or an online storefront. While AI speeds up the creation process, your consistent practice and the quality of your work are what generate income over time. Repeat this creation loop daily. Mastering the workflow of drafting, polishing, and deploying is how you build a library of digital assets.